so today we're going to be talking about something you already know about. It's called carrying, but I want to just go over it with you again since I haven't gotten to make sure that you know this. So remember, when we're adding two numbers together, if we have the numbers 23 and 17, when we add those together, 3 plus 7 is 10. We can't write the number 10 down below because 10 has ones and tens, and we can't write it down below. So we write the number that's in the ones place down below, and we carry the number in the tens place over to the tens column. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, that equals 4. So when we have numbers that are too big, we carry. And you guys have learned this and you guys have done this many times, but now we're getting into bigger and bigger and bigger numbers. So if you're on page 286, we're in lesson 141. We're gonna do number 1, we're gonna do A and B together. So A says 13,725 plus 29,388. We're going to add those together. Every time we get a number that has 2, not just 1, we're going to carry the second number over to the next column because it belongs there. So we have 5 plus 8. What's 5 plus 8? Yes, 13. So we put the 3 down below and the 1 up top. Now we have 1 plus 2 plus 8. What number is 1 plus 2 plus 8? Very good, that's 11. The 1 goes on bottom and the other 1 goes on top. Now we have 1 plus 7 plus 3. What is 1 plus 7 plus 3? Yes, 11. So we put the 1 down below and the 1 up top. Now we have 1 plus 3 plus 9. What is 1 plus 3 plus 9? Very good, that's 13. So the 3 goes on the bottom and the 1 goes on top. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 1 plus 2? Very good, that's 4. Now we have our answer, but we need to remember our comma. The comma goes after the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. And our answer to this problem is 43,113. Now let's go over to letter B. We have 13,245 plus 21,783 plus 52,134. We're going to start in our ones column, always starting in our ones column. We're going to add 5 plus 3 plus 4. What is 5 plus 3 plus 4? Yes, that's 12. So the 2 goes on the bottom and the 1 goes on the top. Now we have 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. What is 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3? Very good, it's 16. Now we have the 6 down below and the 1 up top. Now we have 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1. What is 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1? Very good, that's 11. So we put the 1 on the bottom and the 1 on the top. Now we have 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2? Very good, that's 7. Do we have anything that we have to carry up over into the next place? No, we don't. So that's nice and easy. Now we're going to add our last column. We have 1 plus 2 plus 5. What is 1 plus 2 plus 5? Very good, that's 8. Now we need to place our comma, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and our answer is 87,162. I want to take a minute and review with you how to subtract and how to borrow, especially when you have zeros. So let's take a look at number 2. Go in the middle here. Number 2, right next to all of this, says 2,000 take away 693. Let's do a review real quick. We're going to take away. Can we take 3 away from 0? If you have 0 apples, can I take 3 away from you? No, I can't. So we have to go borrowing. So we go to our neighbor, which is a 0. Does he have any for us to borrow? Nope, he doesn't. So we go to our next neighbor. Does this neighbor have any for us to borrow? No, unfortunately, he has 0 too. So we're going to go to our last neighbor. Does this neighbor have something we can borrow? Yes, it does. So this 2 is going to give us 1. So the 2 becomes a 1. And this 0 is going to become a 10. Now, can we borrow for this 0 if this one is a 10? Yes, we can. So we're going to take 1 away from this 10, and the 10 becomes a 9. Then this 0 gets to become a 10. Now, can we borrow from this 10 to give some to this 0? Yes, we can. So this 10 becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. Now, can we subtract? 10 take away 3? Yes, we can. 10 take away 3 is what number? Yes, 7. Now, can we subtract here? 9 take away 9? If you have 9 apples, can I take 9 away from you? Yes, I can. Unfortunately, it leaves you with none, but you can still take them away. So our answer is 0. Now we have 9 take away 6. Can we take 6 away from 9? Yes, we can. What is that answer? Very good, it's 3. And now we have 1 take away nothing. What is 1 take away nothing? Very good, it's just 1. Now we need to put in our comma. Let's remember, ones, tens, hundreds, commas. And there you go. Hopefully you remember how to borrow when you need a bunch of zeros.